stretching. Let's do some stretches with Victoria. Can you make your legs into train tracks like this? Can you point your toes? And jellyfish shake your legs. And point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Point your toes. And jellyfish shake your legs. Oh no, here come the ants. Arms up. And get those ants off your toes. Arms up. And get those ants off your toes. Arms up and get all those ants off your toes. Very good. Miss Victoria, did you bring your magical glue with you? Very good. We all need some glue to glue our feet together to make beautiful butterfly wings. Make sure you have a lot. Can you flap your butterfly wings with us? Where should we fly to? Can you put your nose to your toes? Try it. Did you do it? Let's go again. Go. What about that time? One more time. Go. Let's chop those feet apart. And it's time to get on our bellies to do our cobra stretch. On your bellies, arms out to the side, and we're gonna push up. Ready? Go. Up like cobras and rest. Up like cobras and rest. And up like cobras and hold and rest. Well done, everybody. See you later.